How to make your own money as a teenager. These are jobs that you can do right now to save up, specifically online. I'm gonna get the obvious ones out of the way: babysitting, dog walking, paper service. Now I'm gonna give you the list of some websites that are really gonna help you. Okay, the first and possibly the lowest form of income is surveys. Doing surveys, watching videos, and playing games online can actually make you money. Just a few cents at a time, but it adds up. There's a lot of websites out there that do this, but I recommend Inbox Dollars. Selling your clothes or items you don't use anymore with Depop or Poshmark. If you are able to box up and ship items, then this is gonna work for you. You can actually make a decent amount of money, and I've used both of these websites, so they're credible. Selling homemade goods with Etsy. If you craft or make art or sew or do anything where you can produce multiple versions of it, try Etsy. You can literally start your small business right now. A lot of people have had success with Etsy, young people included. Sell your old books with BookScooter. You can also do this at your local Books A Million, but you can do it online with BookScooter. Any old books or textbooks you don't need, sell them. Find jobs giving care with care.com. So this could be taking care of an elderly person, a little kid. Lots of types of jobs can be found on care.com. If you feel like